Ready to transform your new user experience from chaotic to captivating with automated onboarding emails. Today, we're diving into how to set up a seamless onboarding email sequence using the magic of Zapier, turning first-time users into loyal fans first. Make sure you have accounts with both your preferred email marketing service, like MailChimp or Sendinblue, and a platform that collects new user information, such as a sign-up form on your website, or a CRM like HubSpot. Now, let's head into Zapier. Click the Create App button. The first step is to set up your trigger, which is the event that starts your onboarding sequence. In this case, it's a new user signing up, so select your sign-up platform as the trigger app, and then choose the specific trigger, such as new subscriber in MailChimp or new contact in HubSpot. Next, it's time to configure your action, the email that gets sent when someone triggers this app. Choose your email marketing service, it's the action app, and then select the action event, such as send email in Gmail or add subscriber in MailChimp followed by delayed welcome email. Now for the crucial part, crafting your onboarding email within Zapier. You'll customize the email content that a compelling subject line. Write a personalized message welcoming the new user, and include any relevant information, like links to helpful resources or tutorial videos. Use the data from your trigger step, like their name and email address, to personalize the email. To create a sequence, add more actions to your Zap. For example, you can add a delay step to send the next email a few days later. Use Zapier's delay function to schedule these follow-up emails, each offering more helpful tips or information to keep your new users engaged. Once you've customized your email sequence, test your Zap to make sure everything is working correctly. If all looks good, toggle your Zap on, and you're all set. New users will now automatically receive your carefully crafted onboarding emails, leading to increased engagement and a smoother user experience. Enjoy your newfound onboarding magic.